Hi and welcome back in a new video. In this video we are going to talk about quantities calculations. So as we did in the previous video, we have made properties for the corridor. We have added some properties, specifications, and we've made the sample line. So in this video we are going to calculate the total volume table, which is we are going to calculate for the column fill, the earthworks, and for the structure materials. You remember when we talked about pave 1, pave 2, pave 3, base, sub-base, right? Let me show you here. Okay, so the structure materials are pave 1, pave 2, base depth, and sub-base. Okay, and the earthworks are for the column fill. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we need to head to the Analyze tab here and click on the struct, which is named as Compute Materials. Click on it. Choose the alignment and choose the sample line we've just made, which is SL Collection 1, and hit OK. Here we don't want column fill, we needed the earthworks. Okay? So click here on the existing ground surface, which is the EX surface that I have here, and the corridor. Hit OK. Then go to the total volume table. Click on this. Okay. Then column fill and okay. Now we are going to calculate the earthworks. Let's put it on here. Okay, so as you can see here, these are the earthworks. These are the column fill. See, fill area, cut area, fill volume, cut volume, cumulative fill volume, cut volume. Okay, so this is for the earthworks. Now, if we want to calculate the structure materials for pave 1, pave 2, and base, sub-base, we're going to the same icon, which is called Compute Materials. Click on it, and Exam 1 SL Collection, and hit OK. Now this window will pop up. Just expand and click on this. Hit on Delete. Okay. Now hit on Add a new material. Okay, no, sorry. Before that, you need to make sure you're not selecting surface, you're selecting the corridor shape. Okay, so hit on Add a new material. Okay, now you're going to choose structures. After choosing structures, you're going to call this as pave 1. Okay, and hit on Add. Then add another material, call it pave 2, and you need to define the quantity and structures. Then choose pave 2 and add. After that, you're going to add the new material. You need to call it base, and for short structures, base, add, and the same for okay, sorry, let me delete this one. Okay, and the same for sub-base. Okay, and choose it to the structures, then choose sub-base and add. Then here on apply, wait for it, and here OK. Now, when we first calculated the earthworks volumes, which we have chosen the total volume table. Now for the materials, for the structure materials, we'll be using the material volume table. Hit on this. You will have this window as previously. Now we are going to make this option, which is called material volume table, for 4 times. The first one for pave 1, the second for pave 2, base, sub-base, and so on. We hit OK, and let's get a little to the right, and here we have the pave 1. Then again, pave 2, Okay, let's make it here. Then again, base, and finally subbase. Okay, so as you can see here, we have talked about the total volume, the one we found previously, and these are the materials. This is, as we said, for the pave 1 area 1.31, and here pave 2, here pave 3, here pave 4. Okay, so we have all of these. We have find the quantities. We've made calculations for them for the earthworks and the structures. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you understood it. You've got my point. You were able to calculate your quantities on the Autocad you're working on right now. This is all for this video. Thank you very much for your watching, and I wish you a good day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.